So here we are. This week I'm going to be making a fairy. But I'm not just going to do the fairy, I'm going to try to make it into a shelf for the children's bedroom. So I've just got the template here that I've drawn up and a scrap piece of wood. So I'm just going to tape up the wood with the masking tape as recommended by some of my viewers. And then I'm going to use the glue stick to put the stencil on, and then the packaging tape to secure it all down. I'm just going to cut the board down using the scroll saw, but you can use any saw that you have handy. And now to start cutting out the internal parts of the I'm going to speed through this part just because it did take quite a long time. You can see from the template in this part that I did simplify the picture just to make it easier. I'm actually coming to the end of all the internal cuts now, and it was a lot easier than I imagined. Before I do any more cuts, I'm just using the dremel to do the detailing through the paper before it all comes off. Now I can just start cutting around the edges of the fairy, and that'll be the cutting completed. Now that the cutting's been completed, I'm going to use the dremel to go over those lines again, give the detail, and then do some sanding. And now to go over and start with the staining. I'm just going to start gluing up using the wood glue, the super glue and the activator. Hi, just going to jump in here. If you are enjoying the video, please like and leave a comment in the section below. It really does help the small channels. We're now looking at the final part. I'm just going to decorate it with fairy lights. Here I'm just using the hot glue gun to hold the wires in place. And so here we have it, the fairy with the small shelf ready for the baby's bedrooms. And if you've enjoyed this video, there's another link just here.